Berlin, the capital city of Germany, has a rich and complex history that spans centuries. Here's a brief overview. 1. Early history. Berlin's history dates back to the 13th century when it was founded as a trading town in the marshy lands surrounding the River Spree. It grew in importance due to its strategic location as a crossroads of trade routes. 2. Prussian Era. Berlin became the capital of the Kingdom of Prussia in 1701. Under the rule of the Prussian kings, particularly Frederick the Great in the 18th century, Berlin flourished culturally and economically. 3. Industrialization and Unification. During the 19th century, Berlin experienced rapid industrialization, becoming a major center for manufacturing and commerce. In 1871, following the Franco-Prussian War, Berlin became the capital of the newly unified German Empire under Kaiser Wilhelm I. 4. World War I and Weimar Republic. After World War I, Berlin witnessed political turmoil and social unrest. The Weimar Republic, established in 1919, saw Berlin as a center of cultural experimentation, with thriving arts, music, and literature scenes. 5. Nazi Era. The rise of the Nazi Party led to Berlin becoming the capital of Nazi Germany under Adolf Hitler. The city saw extensive architectural changes during this time, including the construction of monumental buildings like the Reichstag and the Olympic Stadium. 6. World War II. Berlin suffered heavily during World War II, enduring intense bombing raids by the Allies. The city was divided into sectors by the victorious Allied powers after the war, with the eastern part falling under Soviet control and the western part divided among the United States, the United Kingdom, and France. 7. Cold War Division. The division of Berlin into East and West became symbolic of the broader Cold War conflict between the Western powers and the Soviet Union. The construction of the Berlin Wall in 1961 further solidified this division, physically separating the city for nearly 3 decades. 8. Reunification and Modern Era. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 and the reunification of Germany in 1990 marked a significant turning point in Berlin's history. The city underwent rapid transformation, with extensive redevelopment and the establishment of Berlin as the unified capital of Germany once again. Today, Berlin is known for its vibrant cultural scene, historical landmarks, and status as a global center for politics, media, and technology. It serves as a reminder of both the turmoil of the past and the resilience of its people in shaping its future. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badal. I am Recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high-resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe. You can see new videos like this every day.